Morning everyone, I welcome you all in science class students. Today we are going to discuss or revise chapter number 4, houses all around. So here in this chapter we have read about different kind of houses that are in different areas, like a house with a sloping roof. This kind of house you will find in the area where there is a cold, right? This house, you can see a house with a flat roof. So this kind of house is there when there is a high temperature. And this a house on stilts basically the bamboo poles, right? So this kind of house mostly found in the area where there is a heavy rainfall. So we have discussed about these different type of houses in a different area. Why it has sloping roof? So that the snow will fall down. This house mostly, as I told you, it found in the area where there is the temperature is high. Why it has flat roof? For the rainwater harvesting. It also have thick walls, so it prevents the harsh sunlight to enter into the rooms. Next, it have made on stilts. Why it have made on stilts? So that it get height. Basically this kind of, as I told you, this kind of houses mostly found in the area where there is a heavy rainfall. So the rainwater get accumulated on the surface. So that is why the people living there made their house on some height, right? In next topic we have read about the building material, means the material that used to build a house, right? For making kacha houses, people used mud, bamboo and palm leaves to build the kacha house. And for the pakka house, cement, concrete, glass, iron, thatch, these kind of material have been used. Next one is budget. Budget is basically the money available, right? And this budget also means the house, the size of house, design of house, right? The locality also depends on the budget. Less, if a people having less money, they build small hut, like. And to build a permanent house, people need to spend lakh of rupees. Then we discussed about what points we should keep in our mind before and after building or after construction of a house. Now checkpoint, tick the correct answer. Book exercise we will revise. Tick the correct answer. First one, the construction of a house does not depend on land available, money available, members in the family or neighbor around the house. So this question can come also in the form of fill up. Here I can ask, the construction of a house does not depend on dash around the house. So what you will write? Neighbors, right? Next, mud, bamboo and palm leaves could be used to make dash. So here the correct answer is hut. Also you can write kacha house. Next, igloos are shelter made by Eskimos for dash use. So in the blank what you will write? Temporary use. Or this question can also come as like that, dash are shelters made by Eskimos for temporary use. So in that fill up you will write igloos. On page number 39 there are some oral questions. Choose the correct answer. Houses in dash areas have thick walls and flat roofs. You will write hot. Houses in hot areas have thick walls and flat roofs. Next, this MCQ, choose the correct answer also come in the fill up form. Houses in hilly areas are built using bamboo and dash. So what you will write? Wood. Third one, houses made of mud, bamboo and palm leaves are called dash houses. So in that fill up you will write kacha house. So I hope you have understood all the things, and what you need to do now, you have to learn all the book exercise, keywords and the question answers. That's it. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.